Welcome to Physics Power channel. Now the topic is variation of value of acceleration due to gravity with depth. So we know on the surface of a particular planet or earth, acceleration due to gravity average value is a constant value. But if you go to a certain height, there is a decrease in the value of g. Similarly, as we are going to the depth, what about g value? Let us see. So for that purpose, just consider a planet or earth. So inside, for example, it is outer layer. Now for example, we went to a particular point at a particular depth. There just we can imagine a smaller sphere. So let us consider each and everything. For example, first center O, and for example r is the radius of the planet or earth. Let small depth we went inside. So for example, according to the planet radius, so considerable depth we went, so there we want to identify the acceleration due to gravity. So if you went up to that point, then so at that point the distance from the planet to that particular point, so that will be r minus d. So now let capital M is the mass of the planet. So with these parameters, so we can analyze the concept. For that we know acceleration due to gravity, already we derived one, we know. So before going to the topic, this topic we should learn. After this is the topic. So g value we know, that is g m by r square. Here m is the mass of the planet, r is the radius of the planet. So here g value on the surface of the planet with radius r, here on the surface the average value or fixed value, constant value, that is g m by r. So depends upon mass of the planet and radius of the planet. So this is the expression in terms of mass and radius, but same expression we can mention in terms of radius and density also. Okay, so according to that, so g equals to 4 pi by 3 capital G into rho into r. So according to this formula, if density is constant, then g is proportional to r. So instead of using this formula, if you use this formula, that derivation will be very easy. So this is g value at a particular radius r. Now means if you consider a point on the surface here, then acceleration due to gravity value 4 pi by 3 into capital G into rho density into r. But if you consider a point little bit at a particular depth, then according to this surface, then at this point, then acceleration due to gravity you can mention like this: at a particular depth gd equals to 4 pi by 3 into capital G into rho into, instead of r, now the distance from the point to the center of the planet, here the distance is only r minus d. So in this expression, so again I am taking this expression. So in this expression, if you take r common, then here only 1 minus d by r. So here remaining all terms as usual. If you take r common, then 1 minus d by r. So now here what is this? 4 pi by 3 into capital G into rho into r. It is nothing but acceleration due to gravity on the surface. So we can write therefore gd equals to g into 1 minus small d by r. So according to this formula, we can say if depth is very small also, means it should be in kilometers. So according to the dimension of the planet or earth, so if d is a considerable value, then definitely 1 minus d means is less than 1 value. So that means g on the surface is more as compared with at a particular depth. So with this we can conclude that on the surface of the planet g value is high. If you go to a certain height, g value decreases, or if you go to a certain depth also, g value decreases. So that we can mention the value of acceleration due to gravity decreases with the depth. Thank you. If you want any topic, mention in comment section. I will try to post the topic video also.